Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, friends, I will be showing you how to make fruit and cake custard. This is a delicious dessert which you can enjoy with friends and family. So make sure you stay till the end. I have 2 full fat milk, 8 tablespoon custard powder, 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder and 8 tablespoon sugar. Add milk into the custard powder. Mix well. I added the rest of the milk in a pan and now I'm going to add some cardamom powder and the sugar, and I'm going to boil this milk. Add the custard milk, mix well. Stir until the milk is thick. The custard is now thick and it has cooled down. Now I'm going to add my fruit, which is apples and bananas. I have set cake inside a bowl. Now I'm going to pour my custard inside. Our dessert is now ready. This looks magnificent and makes me want to eat the whole bowl. If you do try this recipe, send pics to our social media. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos.